Good evening from Fire Wrench Garage. This is Phil. Last time we talked, I did a quick update on this 1977 John Deere Liquifire 440. We put on the new polymer skis and shocks. We put on the suspension and the track. And now I've got it flipped back over and starting assembly on the top side. So today what we've got put in place is the jack shaft, the gearbox, the brakes, both of the louvers, and the center console. Gas tank is I just got that cleaned up, and your dash. Still have a lot to go there. Got new springs put in the secondary. Mounting plate for the motor. Got the skis aligned with all the steering components. So there's just another little quick look at the machine. I'll be doing, and the other thing I got is the brace for the front bumper and the hood, and then the hood hinge. That's done as well. That's all for today, guys. I'll be back with you tomorrow, give you another update.